Hi guys, welcome to my channel. As you guys can see, we are in my bathroom. We're doing things a little bit differently today, and that's because I'm going to be showing you how I use the Kristin Ess signature hair gloss. I've used her hair gloss multiple times and it actually works. As you guys can see, I have some baby lights, especially in the front, that are framing my face, and they're getting pretty brassy. And I really just want to neutralize them. This gloss will help neutralize your hair and add shine. If you guys are interested in my haircut and color, I have a video right up here. So I got mine at Target and it was under $15. I got Smoky Topaz, and this is for medium neutral blonde hair. At first you might think that's not the right gloss for my hair color, but it actually is. And that's because my balayage and my baby lights are quite light. They're like, kind of like a blonde or a lighter brown. So this is actually perfect for me. At first I thought it was a different color, maybe something darker like my base, but this is actually what I'm looking for. Something that's going to neutralize my hair. So I got my hair cut and toned around 2.5 months ago. This is around the time where I would use a gloss like this. You would use it in between salon visits. I tend to go to the salon every 4 to 5 months, and it starts to get brassy around 2 to 3 months. This is what my hair looks like before. As you can see, there's some brassiness going on, especially the pieces that are framing my face. Those are the ones I really want to focus on. Also, I want to add some shine to my hair since I have naturally dry, coarse hair. First, you're going to brush your hair out. I'm using the Kristin Ess detangling brush. This brush is absolutely amazing. It is so easy. I already brushed my hair, but just how easy it just goes through my hair. So I highly recommend this product. If you have seen my other hair videos, you probably already recognize this. Inside the box, you'll find the activator, the gloss, the instructions, and gloves. The reason why there's like this toilet paper roll on top of the applicator is so that this doesn't open by accident. First, you're going to wet your hair. Usually I would do this in the shower, but since I'm filming, I'm going to do it by the sink. Alright, made a mess, but my hair is now wet. So I moved, you guys, you're actually seeing my reflection. Now that my hair is damp, I'm going to be mixing the bottles. Since I've done this multiple times, I don't need to test it on my hair, but I highly recommend testing it if you're new to this. As you guys can see, the liquid in the applicator is about here, and that's because you put the gloss in bottle number 1 and it fits perfectly. Everything is pre-measured, so you don't have to worry about anything. And you put the top back on and gently shake it up. Since I'm doing the overall application, I'll be applying from root to tip. Next, you're going to put on your glove. This helps so you don't make a mess or stain your fingers. I like to start out at the root and then work my way down. You're just going to be putting it all over. Now this does smell. It just smells like a salon, so not that bad. Now since I have long hair, I'm going to be using this whole entire bottle. If you have a short hair or maybe a pixie cut, you don't necessarily need to use this whole thing. And since I have pieces that are lighter in the front, I'm making sure that I really concentrate the product right here. As you guys can see, it is so much easier to do it in the shower because this will literally get everywhere. I just want to show you guys up close what it looks like. And then I literally just massage it into my hair. I finished saturating my hair. Again, I used the whole entire gloss. And then I just brushed my hair again and put it in a low bun. I ended up using a Kristin Ess French pin. It's super easy and it just gets the hair off your shoulders. And now I'm going to leave it in my hair for 20 minutes. And that's because I really want to neutralize my hair. You may not need it for the full 20 minutes, so you can also do 10 to 15 minutes. It really depends on what you're looking for. Now that it's been 20 minutes, I'm going to wash my hair and shampoo and conditioner like I normally would. Now that my hair is washed, I'm going to blow dry it and show you guys the result. Probably can't tell the difference right now since my hair is dark and wet, but I can already see that these front pieces are a lot less brassy. Now I'm going to go in with the Revlon one-step blow dryer. And here's the big reveal. It looks so good. You can really tell, especially these front pieces, the brass is completely gone. My hair definitely looks darker, but my baby lights and my balayage are still here. So this is what my hair looked like before, and this is what my hair looks like after. What do you guys think of my new hair? Let me know in the comments below. And here's a close-up. You can really see with these front pieces right here, and even this one right here. It really works, guys. I highly recommend this product. And I also want to point out how shiny it looks. I didn't add any product to my hair, and look at the shine. Like I said before, I only apply this at-home gloss in between salon visits. It helps prolong my hair color and keep it less brassy. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!